So in today's video, I wanted to take you back to Danny's house and show you a couple of things I did to his bathroom to help organize it. Everything came from the Dollar Tree for this project. I just want to show you, you don't have to spend a lot of money to organize places in your house. It actually makes more sense to go cheaper with your organizing products than it is to spend a lot of money on something to organize, just because like the stuff I get from the Dollar Tree, it looks just as good as expensive stuff that you could get elsewhere. So I'm just going to take you to the video and then you can tell me what you think about it. So this is the before picture of his medicine cabinet before I organized it. I wanted you to check it out. It's kind of a hot mess. So I categorized everything and used these clear containers in his medicine cabinet. They were 2 for $1, so I only paid $4 for it. And this is the before of his shelf. He didn't have much there, but I was able to make it look more organized and more accessible for him. So I got these 2 clear containers. One I have his soap in, his other I have extra deodorants in, and then just his body wash, extra body washes on this one shelf.